Now see, the graph generator, that is the device with the help of which one can produce the potential difference of few million volt. Now let's first discuss its principle. Suppose we have two concentric spherical shells. The inner one, that is with charge small q and radius small r. The outer one, that is with radius capital R and charge capital Q. Now, first calculate the potential at the surface of each one. Suppose first we think about the potential at the surface of inner one. So, the charge Q on the surface of inner one will give you the potential at the surface of inner, that is K small q upon small r. Now, for the outer shell, the charge is capital Q. So, at the surface of it, potential will be K capital Q upon capital R. But we discussed this thing. At any point inside the charged cell, the potential that remains constant one, and that is equal to the potential at the surface of it. So at the surface of outer one, the potential is K capital Q by R, and that is constant up to center. So at the surface of inner one, the potential due to outer cell, that will be K capital Q upon capital R. So total potential that we can say at the surface of inner sphere or shell, that is K small q upon small r plus K capital Q upon capital R. Clear to all of you? Now resultant potential at the surface of outer one. So we know this thing. For inner one, this charge at the surface small q, that will behave as a point charge concentrated at the center for any point outside the shell or sphere. So at the surface of outer one, this inner one will give you the potential K small q upon capital R. And at the surface of the outer one, the potential due to its own charge capital Q, that is K capital Q by R. So resultant potential at the surface of the outer shell, that is K small q upon capital R plus K capital Q upon capital R. Clear to all of you? Now take the potential difference between inner and outer one. So V at small r minus V at capital R. So K small q upon small r plus K capital Q upon capital R minus K small q upon capital R minus K capital Q upon capital R. So this K capital Q upon capital R, these two terms cancelled. So K small q upon small r minus K small q upon capital R. Take KQ common. So into bracket 1 upon small r minus 1 upon capital R. But here small r is less than capital R, therefore 1 upon small r is greater than 1 upon capital R. It implies that this right hand side, that will be positive 1. So here answer of V at small r minus V at capital R, that is greater than 0, means V at small r, that is greater than V at capital R. Clear? It implies that here the potential at the surface of inner one, that is greater than the potential at the surface of outer one. Now suppose, as shown in the figure, we connect this inner and outer one by conducting wire. Then what happens? The charge will be transferred from high potential to low potential. It implies that the charge will be transferred from inner to outer. Clear to all of you? So we can say this is the principle of Van de Graff generator. Now this one is the schematic diagram for the construction of Van de Graff generator. So these two pulleys are there and are connected by the non-conducting belt. From the lower part, continuous spray of charge takes place. When the pulleys are rotated, this belt will take that charge at the upper pulley. Now this upper pulley and outer shell are connected by the conducting brush. So the charge reaches at the upper pulley, that will be transferred to the outer shell as discussed the principle here. And in this way, due to continuous deposition of charge on the outer shell, large and large potential difference that is developed. And in this way, using this device, one can develop the potential difference of the order of few million volt. Clear to all of you?